Friends, in general, in our garden, we use some of the organic products, especially horn meal. This is horn meal from the bovine animals, and the NPK content is 12 to 2 and 0. That means 12% nitrogen, 2% phosphorus, and there is no potassium. So this is very commonly used, very easy to use and very cheap. That's why in most of the gardens and most of the flowering plants, fruit plant people use. Another thing we use, that is bone meal. The NPK content is 3 is to 15 is to 0. That means there is nitrogen 3%, phosphorus 15%, and there is no potassium, but in it there is lots of calcium. So these are two are very cheap and mostly available. And this another thing we use, see, this is DAP, diammonium phosphate. This is rich source of nitrogen content is 18%, and phosphorus is 46% and 0 potassium. These three are very commonly used, but most of us do not want to use it because in our most people are vegetarian, and in that case people ask me which one I can use. So I recommend you PROM. This is phosphate rich organic manure. You can get this black color granular form. This fertilizer is rich organic fertilizer, phosphate rich. This contains 28% carbon, phosphorus it has 10%, nitrogen 2%, and potassium 3%. That means it lots of carbon and rich source of phosphorus, and you can get easily in any of the Amazon or Flipkart. I'll give you the link also. This is 100% organic manure, and phosphate is here used is from the rock phosphate. That is very natural things, and this I tell you, this contains lots of microbes. So hundreds of varieties of beneficial microbes are contained in this, and they are composed from the carbon is source of many of the compost, special vermicompost, cow dung compost. From these two composts, the microbes are added here. So that's why this is very beneficial for your soil, and the soil texture is kept very nice, and soil ecosystem is also very nice. So once you use it, your soil will be very rich soil, rich organic soil, and you don't have to use much of the chemical fertilizer or any of the bone meal or horn meal. This will replace all your bone meal, horn meal, or chemical fertilizer. So this is easily available online from Flipkart. I'll share you the links also. The price is around 200 to 250 rupees kilo. I'll give you all the links here. And phosphorus is a resource for growing roots. So if your plants have grown big and quality roots, then the plants health will be very nice, and they will bear lots of big birds and flowers and fruits. You can use it in fruit plant as well as flower plant, vegetable plant, foliage plant, indoor plant. In any kind of plant you can use, they will grow your roots, and you will strong stem you will grow, and as a result you can get a big good quality of plant with vigorous growth. So this is the best option for bone meal, horn meal, or DAP. You don't have to use any kind of chemical fertilizer. So I'll cut it off the packet and tear it, and then I'll show you how it looks like. Just see, I am tearing out the packet and I am taking out. This is black granular form, I tell you, and they don't need much of the application. You just have to take 4 to 5 gram per 10-inch pot plant, and that is sufficient for 15 days to 1 month. So this is the granular form based organic fertilizer. This is the advancement of agriculture. You can use it, and you can use it, you can throw away these three all. You don't have to use, and in that place you can use PROM or phosphorus rich organic manure. You don't have to use bone meal, horn meal, or DAP. In three replacement you can use this fertilizer. I'll show you how to apply it. Just take around half teaspoonful, around 4 to 5 gram of PROM. This amount is enough for 10-inch pot plant, and apply it here on soil. And after application of soil, with the help of a spade, you can dig the soil from here. I am just showing you how to apply PROM. So this much is enough for 15 days. This contains lots of beneficial microbes. So the soil texture, soil system, ecosystem will be very, very nice, and a result the plants will grow in a vigorous way, and the soil composition will be also very, very nice, and you can get a long term beneficial effect for your plant. So this is how you have to till the soil from here, and then you have to mix it all the granular forms I am mixing in soil, and then apply water. So this is the how you can apply this. Now I will give you all the links of Flipkart where from you can buy these plants, and then you can apply it. Once you buy one packet of around 1 kilo, this will serve you for 6 months to 1 year. You don't have to use any other fertilizer. You may use a little bit of compost in any of the plant, but that much is enough. And besides, you have to apply little bit of prom 4 to 5 gram in each plant. If you want, you can use it in any of the garden plant also, or in your indoor plant also. They are very, very nice, and this will get lots of flower from this plant. So this is the best option I am showing you. You can just buy this from Flipkart link I am giving you. So this is the best prom fertilizer for your garden or your indoor plant or most of your flower plant. The flower will bloom in your garden. So this is all. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like it, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.